Hi everyone and welcome to TechStam's YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to enable the full screen photo caller ID for incoming calls on iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So for that, first choose the contact from the phone app, then tap on edit. Now under picture, simply tap on edit, tap on gallery here and select a photo from a gallery. Now here, move and scale the photo and then tap on choose. And now simply select a filter for that photo. When you're done, simply tap on done button on the top right corner. Again tap on done, and for the last time tap on done, and that's it. Now go for the second step. The second step is simply go to settings. Now in the settings app, scroll down and tap on phone. Here in the phone settings, tap on incoming calls. Now here you will see two options, the banner options and full screen options. The banner options, whenever you receive a call, so you will simply you'll see this simply a banner there. Now whenever if you select full screen, now whenever you receive a phone call, you will see the full screen photo caller ID for that exact call. So that's it. That's how you can turn on the full screen photo caller ID for incoming calls on iPhone 14 series. So thank you for watching and please do like and subscribe.